Greetings and welcome back to Impropria Persona. Next time you hear a plane fly by, look up. Every streak, every white scar across the sky, is it just ice and jet exhaust or is it something more? Today I'm diving into one of the most controversial subjects in modern environmental history, geoengineering, and a whistleblower who risks everything to say, we are changing the sky itself, Kristen Megan. Kristen Megan's a former U.S. Air Force bioenvironmental engineer. Her duties was to monitor every chemical used on base, from fuel, paints, metals, solvents, safety data sheets, all of it. During her audit, she said she began to notice massive stockpiles of aluminum oxide, barium, and strontium compounds. Now, these are heavy metals known for their toxicity when inhaled or ingested. When she looked for an explanation, the paperwork stopped cold. No documented use, no destination, no answers, no nothing. And when she asked too many questions, she says the warning came clear. They told her to stop asking. That was the moment she went public. She named what she believed was happening: stratospheric aerosol injection, the deliberate spraying of metallic particles into the atmosphere under the label of climate modification. Here's what makes her claim alarming. These aren't mystery compounds. Their effects are well documented. And according to the EPA's toxic substance fact sheet in 2018 to 2022, aluminum oxide inflames airways and accumulates in neural tissue. Barium salts can disrupt heart rhythm and muscle coordination. Strontium dust irritates the lungs and weakens bone tissue. These are chemicals no one wants drifting invisibly through breathable air. Now let's weigh the official position. NASA, NOAA, and the EPA have repeatedly said that no verified large-scale aerosol spraying program exists. They explain the streaks above, the so-called chemtrails, as contrails, simple water vapors freezing at high altitude. And yet these same agencies openly fund geoengineering research. Harvard University's Scope X project has studied how aerosol particles could reflect sunlight to cool the planet. And this is Harvard Scope X project. So the technology exists. It's not science fiction, it's science in progress. The debate is not if we can spray the sky, but who decides when we do. Independent labs across different states have reported elevated aluminum and barium levels in rainwater. Critics argue those tests lack verified chain of custody, but almost no large-scale studies are measuring for nanoparticles in our upper atmosphere. That blind spot is where the truth can hide. If the whistleblower is right, we're breathing a climate experiment we never consented to. And if she's wrong, the question still burns. Why aren't we measuring? Why are the data sealed behind military and contractor walls? Transparency, it's not a conspiracy, it's accountability. And when the air itself becomes classified, silence becomes complicity. So next time you look up, remember, this isn't about fear. It's about truth and responsibility. Whether it's contrails or chemtrails, we all deserve to know what's falling from the sky. Because the truth, like the air we breathe, belongs to everyone. I'm OBG Do Strong, fighting for the people. Pah!